Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable loft through pass assistance. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Settings again. Go to Game Settings and find loft through pass assistance. Switch between assisted, manual or semi. The direction and power of loft through pass will be assisted to help direct passes into the receiver's path while also avoiding opponents. The direction you aim is the direction the loft pass will travel. The direction and power of the loft through pass will be partially assisted depending on where you aim and how long you hold triangle. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.